Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel SG Fine Art. Today, I'm excited to guide you through an oil painting tutorial where we'll be creating a serene beach scene featuring a lady sitting on the sand. This is a great project for both beginners and experienced artists. So, grab your brushes and let's get started. Before we dive into painting, let's quickly go over the supplies you'll need. Here's what I have: 1. Oil paints, titanium white, ultramarine blue, cobalt blue, cadmium yellow, vermilion, burnt sienna and a little bit of Payne's grey. 2. Brushes, filbert and round hog bristle brush, and detail brush. 3. Palette, to mix your colors. I am using a piece of square glass. 4. Palette knife, for mixing paints. 5. Canvas, I am using a 16 x 20-inch primed and toned smooth cotton canvas. 6. Linseed oil, for thinning the paint. 7. Turpentine, for cleaning brushes. 8. Rags and towels, for keeping everything tidy. To start off, I have my canvas already prepped with a layer of gesso. This will help the oil paint adhere better and create a smooth surface for painting. Next, I have sketched out the basic composition of the lady and landscape using a pencil. I like to start with some simple shapes and lines to map out the horizon line and other elements in the scene. Now let's start painting. Using our large flat brush, mix some ultramarine blue with titanium white for the sky. Start from the top and work your way down, blending in lighter shades as you go. Next, let's work on the ocean. Use a darker blue mixed with a little bit of burnt sienna and viridian green to give it depth and movement. Make sweeping strokes for the water and don't worry about being perfect, it's all about lie. Now, let's create the sandy beach. Mix some cadmium yellow with white and a touch of burnt sienna. Apply this mixture at the bottom of the canvas, blending it softly into the water. This will create a smooth transition between the sand and the ocean. Now it's time to bring our figure to life. Using our medium round brush, start with a base color for her skin. Mix a bit of white with burnt sienna. Paint her shadow shapes, paying attention to her posture and the details of her dress. Once the base is dry, we can add the dress color. I'll be using a bright, cheerful color like warm yellow-white. Layer it on to give texture and interest. Now we can focus on the details. For the lady, use a fine detail brush to add highlights to her hair and dress. You can also add shadows on the sand to give depth. And don't forget to add some gentle waves lapping at the shore. Take a step back and look at your painting. Make any final adjustments to color, light, and shadow. You can add a few seagulls in the sky or a beach umbrella for more interest. I am not adding anything for this painting. And here we have our completed oil painting of a lady sitting on the beach. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own version. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your paintings with me on social media. I'd love to see what you create. Thank you for watching and happy painting.